How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I am going to share with you a recipe in my recipe nook Happynichi half sheets menu planner. That's a mouthful. Okay, I'm going to be using my fun floral sticker book and some micron pens in probably 0.5 for sure for the title, 0. I think the 0.3 or the 0.005, which is a 0.20 millimeter. So one of those, two out of those three. And today I'm going to use this gorgeous, cute, fun, whimsical set of floral, and Malasadas are it. So let's do it. This is my half sheets, everyday fresh. I think it says that right there. Every day is a fresh start. So this is the everyday fresh half sheets. And we are going to be going under delicacies because this is a sweet. I've done my mom's fudge, mango bread, and now malasadas. Yum. These are so good. They're basically hot donuts. Okay? Can't go wrong there. Okay, and it's a very simple recipe, so I am just going to pick out my stickers and I shall return. Okay, so I thought I would switch things up and actually lay my stickers down first, which I've done, both sides, and let you see me do the writing, because that is fun to do a lot of times, personally, I think. Okay, malasadas. These are everywhere in the islands, so. Food trucks, Leonard's Bakery, everywhere. Okay, this makes 5 dozen, actually. Oh, I need to switch pens, and I am going to use the 0.2 millimeter so I can fit it all on one side. Makes 5 dozen. Now you can give or take on these as you like, whatever works for you. And incidentally, yeast rises like none other in Hawaii. Oh my goodness. I had the biggest puffy rising yeast ever when I cooked there, even compared to Florida. Okay, just FYI, so that is another good thing. 1 package active dry yeast. And these are very simple ingredients. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1/4 cup warm water. 6 cups of flour. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup melted butter. 6 eggs. 1 cup evaporated milk. Canned cream. 1 cup water. Vegetable oil for deep frying. Sugar and cinnamon. Cinnamon optional, because you can toss that in it. I meant to do that in the opposite direction. Just pull out my little jelly roll. This is my number 8 jelly roll for whiteout. Super duper easy, no joke. Alright, so mix yeast with 1 teaspoon of sugar and add to warm water. Let stand for 5 minutes. Stir dry ingredients together. Stir in melted butter. Beat eggs, milk, and water together. And add to flour mixture. Add yeast and mix well. Dough will be sticky. Cover and let dough rise until doubled. Then punch down. Let dough rise a second time. Heat oil in deep fryer. To 375 degrees. Pinch off golf ball size pieces of dough. Drop in heated oil and cook until golden brown on one side. Turn over and fry until golden on other side. Watch closely. And do not overcook. Or burn. Drain on paper towels. Roll in sugar cinnamon mixture. And that's all there is to it. Delicious. Well worth it. So good. Can't recommend enough. Everybody in Hawaii eats these. Young, old, in between, everyone. Okay, so they go right over here. My mom always loved Malasadas. Malasadas. She would go out of her way and make sure she got some. She always loved those. I love having this half sheet. Now, I have a room for a picture on the back as well as a quote that I had pulled for a different recipe. So I'm going to put it on there. Because I haven't had space anywhere else until now. Maybe we'll put the picture at the top this time and the quote at the bottom. And it's crooked. So you do get to see, after all, one struggle of putting a sticker on. What recipe planner video that I do, seriously, would be, oh, I'm ripping the paper, complete without that. That is crooked, but, oh, see if I can get away with it over here. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, and I was able to cover pretty much most of that up. I am going to do a little trick, though, to repair that. And I'm just going to pull out some glue. This is just so happen to be a glue pen from Hobby Lobby, dual tip. And I'll leave it open to air dry. And I'm just going to push it under there. That little bit. It should seep in nicely overnight. Seal that up because I do not want that to be a problem. Okay. Very lovely. Okay, guys. So, this is it. And this quote reads, "Live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink in the wild air," by Ralph Waldo Emerson. There you have it, guys. Malasadas. I highly recommend these. and they are delicious. You can ask anybody. Alright guys, thank you ever so kindly for watching. I hope if you like this video, you do consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Happy planning and happy cooking, guys. Peace out.